iPhone 16 and 16 Pro will be available this Friday, and we're going to show you the hands-on look on how they are coming fresh out the box, what all you get. Before we get on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We are almost at 7,000 subscribers. Once we reach that, we will give away $100 to one random person that leaves a comment down below. All right, without further ado, let's get on into the video. All right, so here is our first look at the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro straight out of the box. This is what it's gonna look like once you get yours, okay? So we have the pink color in the iPhone 16, and then we also have the ultramarine color as well. We have the titanium color, the pure titanium or whatever it's called, and we have the desert titanium as well. So we're gonna take a look at what these look like fresh out of the box. And let's start with the 16s, because as you can see, I'm really liking this ultramarine color. Like, I think it looks so solid. Personally, this is probably my favorite color of just the standard 16s. I don't even know why. I don't normally like blue, but I like how this blue looks. It just looks really good. So this one's probably gonna be my #1 pick for color. Now, I haven't seen the teal in person. And by the way, let me put a disclaimer out there. This is not my video. This is Marquise Brownlee's video. If you don't know who Marquise Brownlee is, he's a legend in like the phone industry, so everybody should know who he is. But yeah, there are tons of promos out there so you can get a solid deal depending on the carrier that you guys have. And I'm here to kind of help you with that to get the best deal for your new phone, okay? AT&T, all carriers are giving you $1,000 off the Pro. Some carriers, it depends on the plan that you're on. Some carriers, it doesn't matter what plan you're on, you can still get the best deal as a new customer, or even I think on upgrades. I know definitely for T-Mobile, you can get the best deal for either an upgrade or adding a line. Now, I'm not too familiar with the other carriers. I personally do have AT&T and T-Mobile, and on AT&T, you can get $1,000 off on an upgrade as well with trade-in, all right? So those are the two carriers that I would recommend, either T-Mobile or AT&T. You also can buy your phone through Apple, and they will give you a deal off the device as well, okay? So definitely look into that if you're wanting to get the best promo for your device. But back to the video. I know I went off subject here, but look at these pros. This is the desert titanium, and man, does this thing look good. Now, it does, on the camera, I feel like it kind of looks like a rose gold, almost gold color. I don't feel like it looks like a actual, I guess it kind of looks like sand. I guess that's fair. So if they're going for like a sand look, I guess it kind of looks like that. But I'm really liking this. I do like the camera action button on the side. I think that's going to be really unique, especially because knowing how I record video and take photos typically, it's going to be so helpful having that as a button to just click like that, because I find myself dealing with issues when I'm trying to record content, because I do use my iPhone to record content, and sometimes just having that button right there would just make it so easy. So I'm loving that. But I'm pretty excited for the 16 and 16 Pro. I love the camera setup on the standard 16. It is my absolute favorite look. I do not like how the phone is all wobbly once it's laid on its back. So definitely get yourself a case, because I feel like this is going to be very annoying pressing down on the bottom of the screen and it's wobbling like this. So definitely want to get a case on that thing, all right? But 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, the height, you do see a difference versus the old one, the 6.3 on the new Pro and the 6.1 on the old one. You can see that there is a slight difference. And also with the 16 Pro Max and the 16 Pro, you can see a pretty slight difference as well. But other than that, pretty much same old iPhone, nothing too crazy. New iOS 18 update, which all the phones got that update. So tell me how you guys are liking that, or if you guys even like it. I mean, leave a comment down below what your favorite feature is on iOS 18, all right? So that's it, guys. Make sure you guys get those promos on those phones if you're trying to get a new one. If you have a 15, I do not suggest going to the 16. I think it's just such a dumb, and excuse my French, upgrade, okay? So do not do that unless you just broke your phone, or I don't even know. There's really no reason to get that. But That's all I have for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we are almost to 7,000, and we want to give away $100 to one random person in the comment box down below. So just leave a comment. You can say whatever you like. But that's it. Scoofy here. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Invite your friends and family. And I'm out.